Orbi AX6000 Wi-Fi 6-hole home mesh Wi-Fi router, RBR860s. Step 1. Unbox the components, take out the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect the router to the modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's yellow Internet port to your modem, then power both devices on. Step 3. Place the satellites, position the satellites in central locations for optimal coverage around your home. Step 4. Power on the satellites, plug in the satellites and wait for their LED lights to stabilize, solid white or blue. Step 5. Download the Orbi app. Install the Orbi app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 6. Log in or create a Netgear account. Open the app and sign in or create an account to start the setup process. Step 7. Follow in-app instructions. Use the app to detect and configure your router and satellite step by step. Step 8. Set up your Wi-Fi network, create a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, then save them. Step 9. Update firmware. If prompted, check for and install any firmware updates via the app for better performance. Step 10. Connect devices and test. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test the connection. Thank you.